I grew up in Austin and knew pretty much from an early age that I wanted to be a lawyer, and specifically a courtroom lawyer. The idea of standing up in court, representing a client in front of a judge or jury, is always something that seemed really appealing and exciting to me. What I never did imagine is that I would become a family lawyer, and that's because I'm a child of divorce. So I know how painful and difficult this process can be. I know how it can change the trajectory of a child's life. After doing my undergraduate work at Berkeley, I lived in D.C. for a few years, worked on Capitol Hill, and ultimately decided that I wanted to go to law school. I received my law degree from Stanford and came back to Austin, where I worked at a global law firm representing big companies in commercial litigation disputes. The work was interesting, but it wasn't very fulfilling. I wanted to have a practice where I could work with real people facing real challenges. And that's why I ultimately decided to establish my own law firm, where I practice family law, which includes everything from complex divorces to child custody disputes, modifications, enforcement actions, drafting premarital agreements, essentially anything that falls underneath the family law umbrella, I do. And in addition to that, I continue to practice general civil litigation work. My law firm was founded on a simple premise, and that is that families going through challenging times deserve the same caliber of representation as the corporations I used to represent at the big law firm.